What's up, guys? This is HH Trader back with another trading video, live trading session. And is my camera on? Hold up. That shit. Okay, there I am. Alright, so welcome back to another live trading session. Today I have written out my rules that I'm going to follow. Okay? So let me read the rules, and I'll read them again if anybody else comes in. But here are the rules for today. 1. Only trade stocks on the scanner. Okay? That's the number 1 rule. Number 2. No trades until confirmation of a pullback above VWAP. Number 3. Only trade above the 5-minute 9 EMA. Number 4, if no catalyst on the day, size down. That's the 4 rules. So we'll call them the 4 horsemen. But anyway, NCTY has news on the day. Let's see if it meets the criteria. So the first one, it is on the scanner. The second rule, it has done pullbacks above the VWAP. Third rule, is it above the 5-minute 9 EMA? Looks like it is looking like it wants to fill it right now. So this would not be a tradable stock right now. And then, yeah, it has a catalyst. So let me go and research and see what the float is on this one, NCTY. Man, yesterday I was just ignorant, just taking that trade, but now I have my rules. You guys know my rules, and if you see me break them, please just let me know. Say, please do not break these rules. These 4 rules. Now, these 4 rules don't mean that I'm gonna make money on the stock. These 4 rules just ensure me the best chance. So, like, I've looked at my last 2,000 trades or something like that. Yeah, 2,000 trades. And for these 4 specific rules, these are the biggest things that have been in the stocks that I've made money on. Okay, Yahoo Finance, NCTY. Let's see what you got. We have about 4 minutes to the bell. And the float on that one is 8.28 million. Why does it keep doing that? 8.28 million according to Yahoo Finance. 8.28 million according to FinViz. And then no shelf. Wait, no, it has an automatic shelf registration for this this year in, what is that? March, January, February, March. Yeah, March of this year has an automatic shelf registration. All right, I'll add that note. And it looks like it's gonna pop off my scanner in a minute anyway. So 8.28 million with a automatic shelf registration. So that is probably gonna make it act really weird today. But now it's breaking. It's breaking how many of my rules? It's breaking 1, getting down under that 5-minute EMA. Just going on down there. So not a tradable stock for me. Not for scalps. And these rules are specifically for scalping. If you're buying a dip or whatever, hey, you may want to buy under the 9 EMA. But for me, with scalping, I'm going to have to follow these rules. It popped out the scanner. That's 2 rules broken. So it is not a tradable stock. And it is under VWAP. So it's definitely not a tradable stock. So that's 3 rules broken. So we will leave that one alone, and we'll be looking for better tickers, better options. And my scanner, it updates every 15 seconds. So if it pops up there but it's not meeting the criteria, it'll be there for 15 seconds and then it'll disappear. Leads popping up there. Leads getting a little action. What is the news? Is there any news on today? There is no news on today. It is above the 5 minute. It is it has not, wait, has it done a pullback above VWAP? Yes, it has done a pullback right here above VWAP. So it is meeting all of the criteria except number 4, if no catalyst, size down. So if I trade this on the day, I will be sizing down on it. On the daily chart, let's see, last day ended a high of the 21.25. I don't know if it can get back up there. We'll put that as resistance. Put that as resistance. The market is open. Leads is the only thing on the scanner. I'm gonna let this first minute play out because I'm not about to get snatched in. Okay. So yeah, it's at the tip top. All right. Leads, I will be sizing down on leads. It has no catalyst for today. So if I trade it up, is it going below VWAP? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Still above the 5-minute 9 EMA. NCTY popping back up there. Got to give the pullback above VWAP here. Looking for the pullback above VWAP. There's a little bit of a pullback. Ugh, all the way down. So that's a failure right there. So that'll be off my scanner soon. This is why we wait for the pullback above VWAP. We'll see if that other one can pop back on, but I'm not going to go searching for anything. I'm just going to let them come to me, to my scanner. And we'll attack them as they come. But now it is below the 5-minute 9 EMA. Got to do a pullback above VWAP. So, you know. Charles Schwab, let's go now. Kind of pausing right there. Am I tripping? Is the stream still on? Hold up. Okay, there we go. Alright, I was about to say, what in the world? Yeah, still streaming, good to go. Alright, so NCTY is a chopper. It is a chopper today. This is not a pullback above VWAP. I don't like this big wick through VWAP. We're gonna have to. We're getting another pop here. Let's see, leads popping up there. This is gonna be a wiki stock right here. Yep, look at those pops. That's not safe. We'll wait for a true confirmation above VWAP. We can't play with that. We cannot play with that right there. That's a lot of wick right there. Okay, leads. It gave this move above VWAP here, 1892. I'm gonna play small on this one. It is above VWAP. Play small. So let's see if we can hold up that 1925. It's getting back below VWAP. 1925. Can we see it? Playing small here. Got to hold up the 25 on the bid. There it is. Got in right there. Nice. See if we can get a little push. Nice. Can we get to that 50 and stay above the 50? We'll take a little bit there. 70s, taking 63 cents. Wow. I'm going to take all right there. I re-enter if it can show strength above the 75. Need to see the 75 on the bid. Nice. Nice. Entered there. Looking for the continuation push to the top. If it breaks the bottom of this candle, I got to be out. 1950. Looking like the spot to be out. 85s. Looking weak there. Okay, there's a little pop there. Nice. Taking. Okay, getting a nice topping tail there. Okay, taking off. I don't know if it can continue. Nice. Taking. Looking a little drowsy here. Can it continue? I'm just holding one share. I'm playing small on this one. I'm going to take right there. Alright, I'm gonna let this thing pull back, see if we can get another entry. This is me following my rules. So definitely working out for me. Playing small, legs pulling back up. Let's see if we can get that 75 back on there. We'll get that 75. Oh, very small pop there. Can we get the retest? Got in right there. If this one goes red, I'm gonna get out. Okay, took right there. Looking for a re-entry. Need to see the 75 hold. Don't see the 75 holding on the bid. Breaking down the 75, 60s, 50s. Okay, I don't see it. So we're playing small today. Okay, I like that. Pop 75 up there. Can it hold the 75? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Taking. Playing small. In a little bit. Taking. Can we get the push through the 22? Looking weak. Okay. Don't see it. Can we get that push? Taking. And yeah, that's looking a little weak. Back below the 60s, I'm going to get out. Okay, there's a 22 push, taking all right there. I missed it. 22s, 23s, nice. Taking right there. Getting back in at the top, looking for a little bit of a push. We can get it through the 30s. If not, I'll be out. Yeah, let's get out. Get out, fool. All right, there we go. Oh, I went short. Up by that. All right, out right there. I accidentally went short right there. My bad. All right, let's continue. All right, so I am all out. Ooh. Can we get past that 22? 22 is becoming a nice little rejection. Ooh. Can we please get my orders to fill? Okay. In right there. Out right there. Looking weak on that double top. Playing small. There we go. Getting a little push. Can we get the push out? Any more red? I'm out. Out right there. Continue to look for another entry. In right there. Continues to look strong. Just got to blast out of there. 22. Okay. Yeah, I'm out. Getting out right there. Alright. So I lost a little bit right there on that one. But I do like it. This one is looking disgusting. Alright, let's see if we can get a blast out here. Giving a little pullback. How far is this pullback gonna go? $95. Can we see the 95? Oh, immediate snatch down. Come on. Can you get that reverb? Come on. Any red, I'm gonna have to be out. Come on, baby. Can you do it? Nice, nice taking. Oh, I missed it. I missed the take right there. I'm gonna have to take off right there. Okay. Getting too heavy, man. I was looking for more of a blast out than that. All right, we'll let it reverb. That's 700 bucks left. Just didn't want to get caught in that. All right, NCTY giving us a nice pullback up here. Let's see if it can start to hold this 25 on the bid. Looking for the 25 to hold. Nope. 25 not holding. Ooh. Ooh, I got in quick right there for small. If it goes red, I'll go ahead and get out. Shows me red, I'm out. Okay. Gonna have to, yep, get all out right there. Yep, very choppy stock right there. Lids back out here. Back down to VWAP. So I'm just following my rules, but some of these are very hard to read right now. Getting in and out. I'm playing small though, small ball today. Really? Okay. Let's go ahead and take right there. Look for it to get up. I want to stay above this level of the 14. And what I have, 10 shares. Needs to stay above the 14. Really? All right, let's get out then. That thing got down there quick. I wanted to stay above the level of the 14, but that thing's moving down a little bit too much on that topping tail. Lids, can we get up? Can we do it? It's got, see, the 2150 may be a spot to play small if it can stay above the VWAP. 2150. Can we see that 2150 hold? There we go, getting on up there. 2150. I like it. I'm gonna get in there. And I missed that other one. We'll see if we can't get a retest. If it shows me red, I'm out. Gotta hold up that 50. Adding there. Gotta hold up that 50 or I'm out. Come on, baby. Get that pump up. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and take off right there. Not about to do that game. Getting up there. I like it. Can we go higher? Can we stay up? Can we get that push out? No. Get out. Get out. Alright, so I have $6 left. That is how fast your money can go. Let's look at my realized gains and losses. Oh wow, I took some okay trades, okay scalps off of that. Accidentally went short right there, but I still won on the short trade. But biggest take was 94. Lids, the smallest take was 80. I mean, the biggest loss was 80 cents on lids. Playing small share size here. I don't know how much that is. It may be like 10 bucks. Yeah, 18 bucks right there. So very, very quick day, but I'm glad I was playing small. Man, oh well. Smaller than yesterday. A lot easier to make that money back. But yeah, Lids was definitely doing things, and it may continue doing things today. Looking at the daily chart, yeah, it may continue, but it's just burned through my capital really quick, being a $21 stock. But yeah, these are the two that are on the ticker. But I'll keep the stream going, and we can watch what happens on these. I will be closing down at 10 a.m. though, because I know I'm gonna get bored and things may not look too good. So this one's under VWAP or going under VWAP, so it has to reconfirm above VWAP. So Lids will be the one to watch. Lids looking like it can get up there. Let's see, if I take 5 shares of lead, where would that leave me? I'll be going into my Monday account if I take that, and I may take it. Nope, it's not gonna let me. Nope, I'm out of settled cash, so whatever. It's probably gonna go, but I don't know. It's looking strong. Yep, there it is. Okay, it's getting blown down by the shorts though. So the 22, where was that entry I was trying to get? The 2150 would not hold, and now it's kind of pedaling around in this area. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. It's about to go. Very quick day, $18 down. And the thing is, with these trades, 94 cents in the profit is ridiculous. Like, this thing is moving crazy. But as you can see on the opposite side, you can easily go down as much as you go up. Easily. And this one's looking kind of weak right there. Looks like it's going to fade. All right, NCTY also looks like it's going to fade. Got this nice topping tail up here. It's got to fight through all of this before it can do anything to the upside. Lids. Man, Lids just looks dangerous. I don't know what it wants to do. But I know one thing. I wasn't going to hold it with it moving like that. All right. So $18 versus $100-something is way better. But it is a red day. I'm out of capital. So just that quick. Let's see, how deep are we in the day? We're in 16 minutes. 16 minutes and I'm out of capital. So I'm going to have to add to this account so I can have longer trade days, because there's definitely opportunities out here. Let's see if they'll fade the VWAP for Lids. It's got the VWAP at the 21. Break of the 21 is going down. NCTY, did it stay above? Yeah, that's looking real shady right there. But it is above the 5-minute 9. And this one is also way above the 5-minute 9, but it's so close to that VWAP. Doesn't matter if it's above, if it breaks that VWAP. I like it. I like it. Lids is volatile, man. This thing moved from the 18 up to the 22. When I saw that double top, I was like, ooh, that may not go well. So I went ahead and got out quick there, because you never know how far it's going to drop. 2180, 2180. Pop through the 2218. Will it do it? Getting up there. Will it go back red on this one? It's got to stay above the 2174. It just tapped it a little bit, bounced off of it. It's about to jump. It's about to go right here. Right here. If it can stay up, I guess your out will be the low of the, how far is it up? The 75, 2175, and there it goes. Oy, oy, oy. That is a big gain right there. Big gain, and it's going to continue pushing. Oh my gosh. Big game. But hey, I burned through my profit really quick on this one, playing inside these bars because it was so volatile. But it may touch 24 today, so you know it's one of those that's gonna go as far as it can go. Look at this. Look at this. So we know that the scanner works. It's picking up the right stocks. And we know that the entries were pretty good, except for those pullbacks. Those pullbacks were huge. 80-cent pullbacks. That's huge. But definitely, I like this stock. But I think it's going to end up dropping today because it doesn't have any news to continue pushing today. But we'll see. Looking like it's getting back down here to the bottom of the 2169. That's a nice topping tail there. Will it go red on this candle? NCTY, what did it end up doing? Broke down VWAP, not interested. Lead's about to make some moves down, looks like. Let's see, what's this? The 2269. Unless it breaks that top right there. If it breaks that top, it's ridiculous. It's crazy. But 2269 will be the short position right there. Actually, it wouldn't be. It's above the 1 minute and the 5 minute. So not yet. It'll have to test down here at the 9. Woo! 80 cents of motion right there. That is insanity. Oh my gosh, man. Mossy's popping up there, but we're not interested in Mossy right now. It's got a lot to catch up to get up here. Unless it has news on the day. Let me see it have news on the day. No news on today. It's also doing crazy things. But Leads, man, look at Leads go. Oh man, I should have just I don't know. Man, that is a lot of motion. A lot of money to be made on Leads today. Wow. Gave the pullback. I got back in. Where was my mistakes today? Was it just on the drops? So I was taking profit. The only thing that was killing me was those big drops. And then right in here, where would I have gotten in here? I don't know if I would have got in there. Maybe I would have got in on this one, on this igniting candle, but nothing in this range. And then this is just insanity here. Can it go higher? Is this thing going to push to $25 today? Looks like it's kind of getting that little curve like motion right there, so it may be looking like it's going to give us a little downtrend here. It's all good though. I like it. Still above the 1 minute. People are trying to push it up, but it's getting a little sluggish. Break of the 2350 looking like the spot that it's going to fall on. Let's see 2350 if it can break. 2350. Not breaking. Not even coming back down to it. Hitting the 24. It's gone. It's gone. Look at this, man. Look at this. This is why the stock market is so incredible. And it had no news on today. No news on today. That's insane. Moved up from the 18 up to the 24. Looking now, it's really looking heavy. That's a double top. It did that double top the first time right here. Let's see if we get the slam or a break. Okay, there's a little bit of a break. And failing that, will it give us red back through the 24, or will it continue to the 25? Okay, will it break the 24 here? Bouncing off that 24. People are still interested in the 24. Will it break it? There's a hidden seller or buyer at the 94 there. Let's see. Looking real heavy now. Yeah, looking real weak. I wouldn't be trying to buy this one now. It's just too much. Looking like he can do another one of these drops, which was from the 22.88 down to the 21. Yep, nice little drop there. I like it though, man. I like these stocks that move like this. You can make so much. You can make so much on so little. Like you saw me trading with 5 shares. 5. Think about if I would have taken 100 shares again today on these realized gains and losses. That would have been absolutely torturous. That would have been an instant $80, $47, $46, $39. So this is why I said, hey, I'm gonna size down. Has no news on today. No reason for me to be, playing big on this. Now, I mean, you could say, you can beg to differ and say, well, you did miss all of this move, but safety first. Put your seatbelt on. Safety first, because you never know when that drop is coming. But on the daily chart, it looks super strong. Look at that daily chart. Got over that level. It's got to hold up that 21.10 today, though. If it can't hold that up, it's definitely going to fade. 21.10. Let's Mossy also looking strong, but not as volatile. This is what I'm talking about. You got to be volatile for me to be getting in and out and making good money there. Just does not give you the opportunity to do that. But Leds definitely did. This is the first 5-minute pullback. The bottom of this is a 23.25. So we got a support line here. 23.25. Can it hold 23.25 up? Or will it fail it? Where is that over here? 23.25 right there. Let me add that. Got a support of the 23.25. Here we go. 23.25. It's looking real suspect right there. Uh-oh. I get a break here. Crack down a little bit. 23.25 trying to hold. $23.25 on the bid. There looks like it's a hidden order there at number 4 right there. So somebody put something through right there. That was a buy order that went through. But will it be able to defeat the shorts at the 24? Is it a big enough buy order to beat the 24? I don't think so. So Leds was the mover on today, man. Nice mover. Uh-oh. Will it break the... Oh my goodness, it might be going to the 25. I don't think so. Looking heavy. Can it do the 25? 20. Oh my gosh, it might be breaking the 25 here. What's the top side of this? The high here is the 24.70. So let's see if it gets rejection, or will it go? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, we have reached an insanity point. Just insane movement in the stock. Breaking down, so that would be quick taking. This ripped back down, so from the 25 down to the 24. That's a big rip down. So if I was scalping this, man, you got to be quick. You got to be quick, especially with those pullbacks. And this thing hasn't done a 5-minute pullback yet, so I'll definitely be worried. Let's see if it continues to push, or will it fade? It's got a top here of the 23.25. Will it face rejection up here? 23 or 25.25, my bad. Will it break it? Looking hopeful. Don't see the buying volume coming in there. Will this candle go red? Oh my goodness. The buyers are in for, well, with low volume. It may pull back some. The volume is 300 and 400. Oh my gosh. We're watching a monster move. Oh boy. Well, this thing is no longer playing games. This is an absolute monster, and I can't even take trades on it. You should see the imaginary tears rolling down my face right now on this Friday. This stock could have definitely got me back to the green on this week, but very volatile. Very, very volatile. Wow, all the way from the 18 to the $26. I have nothing to say. I don't know what to say. Wow, wow, wow. So you mean that I was buying down here, and you know, for someone that held through all of this turmoil, I mean, it would have paid off, but the risk though is what I'm looking at. Wow. How many shares did I trade on this in total? Let's see. Looking like it's pulling back now. I'm gonna start giving us some moves down. Let's see how many shares. So pretty much, you know, some days are slow. Some days you just miss big moves. And this move right here is just insanity. This is just, I mean, there's no other way to explain this. This is insanity. I just didn't capitalize. I spent too much profit, or too much. I did too much in here. Did too much. I like the stock, but man, I did way too much. Way too much. Mossy consolidating as well. Is Leis and Mossy connected? Why are they both slowing down like that? Okay, we got up there real quick and touched the 28. So yeah, getting that topping tail, I think it's over with now. Should start to fall. Yeah, buyers should be selling. It's over. The topping tail is the cattle call. 73% up, man. Okay. But I did like to stop. And if you were playing, so I see a strategy that could have worked if you just waited for the test of VWAP here. The test of VWAP, it stayed above VWAP. You could have entered like right in here at the 22 and got a good gain if it kept pumping up, which it may do. Doesn't look like it's slowing down at all. And I'm just missing all of this gold right here. Well, I'll continue working on growing the account. The more money that I have to trade, the more opportunities I can take. But as for now, I'm small balling. $3,000 goes just like that. Even trading small. It's trading 5 shares on a 20. So how much was that? 5 shares on a $20 stock. That was $100 per trade. That's what it was. Yeah. Well, it was over $100. A little bit over $100 per trade. And I did, let's see how many buys I did. So right here you can see, here my, wait, it gets very expensive. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, these are not all leads. Hold up. Okay, here are all leads ones. Oh, I wish I could line them up. Hold on. Let me see. Well, I guess I can't. Oh well. So yeah, on leads, yeah, those were $100 trades each trade. So it gets expensive quick, super quick. So I got to work on getting this account up, whether I got to add money in or whatever, so I can capitalize on some of these moves. Cause man, so much scalping could have taken place right in here. So much scalping could have taken place right in here. But, you know, another day, another dollar lost. But we'll definitely, man, stock market is crazy. It's absolutely insane. And then it's consolidating, and it may go higher. That's the scary part. It may actually go higher. If it doesn't break this bottom right here of the 25, it may actually even go higher. So we can hold up that 25. Okay, it broke the 25 right there. Can it pull back? Pulling back up a little bit. Yeah. Getting a little heavy right there. It had no news on today, so it definitely can fade throughout the rest of the day. I like it. Oh boy. Well, we'll be back on Monday morning. So volatile. So volatile. I guess with that 5 shares, I just, on some of these plays, I'm like, man, should I have held? Should I have not scalped and just held? But I mean, what if it would have just dropped through the floor and I'm down $100 on 5 shares? That would be funny. I lose $100 on 5 shares. That means it drops what? How much is that? So $1 would be $5. Oh no, it wouldn't be able to give me $100 then. Even if it went to zero, it still wouldn't be $100. I don't think. No, it would be. If it dropped $20, it would be $100 on 5 shares. Looking like it's trying to hold up the 25, which is scary because it looks like it's coming within consolidation up here, which means it can continue. It's a long way away from VWAP too. VWAP is down there at the 22.89, so people are still willing to purchase this thing this high above VWAP, $2 above VWAP, but the volume is slinking away. So we, in some of these candles, we were seeing what, 8, almost, did we ever see 1,000,000 today in any of these candles? Almost 1,000,000, but never reached 1,000,000 per in a minute. But definitely on the 5-minute bars, we see 2 million, 3 million. So definitely some millions. But looking weak now, man. So now my account sits at what? 2905. 2905. Mossy pulling down. Once lead is under that 5-minute EMA though, that 5-minute 9 EMA, it's over. I wouldn't even be trading it anymore. Mossy is also headed that direction. So very low float. Just crazy movers. And I couldn't capitalize. So I paid to play. 20 bucks. So I was down 70 bucks on the week before today. So 70 plus this loss would be like almost 100 bucks to this week down. Almost 100 bucks. But now I have my rules to play by. And we'll see if what's the bottom of this? Low of the 2430. That's an odd number. It's probably going to break that easy. 2430. Snapping down to the 2430. Don't see it on the bid yet. But once it breaks, it's going to give us a nice little move here. I don't know who just joined, but you may be joining on YouTube. But Leads, man. Leads was the move. And I burnt all my capital in this right here. This first move right here. So it literally just took off. And like I was explaining earlier, got to get a bigger account. Got to get a bigger account. All right, 10 equals 1740. In and out on 26. Yeah, man. Yeah, getting in and out, man, quick. Yeah, I tried to play small as well, but the drops, man, ate up the profits of those small shares. And I was only getting in 5 shares, so you know, it's a little bit more expensive stock today, but these expensive stocks have such a range on them. I mean, these moves were literally moving like what, $2? 21 to the 23? That's insane. It's enough to make you just be like, yo. Alright, so we're getting down to the 5 EMA. Gotta increase the size of my account so I can take more trades. But you know what? I took a lot of trades. I'm not gonna lie. I took a lot of trades though. I took quite a bit of trades right here on these. Wait, where are the buys? Transactions. I took 1, 2. Now let's see how many $21 ones I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I started buying down here at the 19s and just got shook out of my positions because the losses were huge. Like this was the most that I got, 94 cents off of one, but look at the loss, 80 cents back in the other direction for a drop. So very volatile. And now look at it, trying to find a little bottom here. We'll see if we can hold up at 2382. 2382 right here is the bottom. Now, if it breaks this 5 EMA is at the 2345. So if it breaks that, it's over, dude. Looking like it wants to revisit the top. 2395. We'll see if it gets some rejection anywhere in here. That's crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Wait, Ed, did you say that you got in at the 1740? Is that what you were saying, or did you? If you got in at the 1740, let me see. 1740 is right. Yeah, if you got in right here, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, you made some ridiculous money on leads. Actually, yeah, that's some pretty good money. I haven't started taking pre-market trades yet because I don't like burning. Like, I burn through my capital so quick. I don't like burning it up in the pre-market. Let me see. Mossy popping back up there, but it's not volatile. Oh, you got in yesterday. Holy Jesus, you are a brave man. You are a brave, brave man. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I forgot to. Yeah, everybody that is coming back. Yeah, I got my picture up here. I don't see my camera moving. Is it frozen? It's supposed to be a video. Hold up. It looks like it's frozen. Turn that off real quick. There I am. Hey. I didn't know it was frozen. My bad. Yeah, it's supposed to be a video. Alright. Anyway. Leads looking like it's losing its power. But it's still above VWAP, so hope is not all gone. And it's above the 5-minute EMA, and the 5-minute EMA has crossed over VWAP. So you never know. It may give some shoots up. Can't believe my picture is freezing. My picture is freezing. What is up with this? All right, looks like I'm gonna have to get a webcam. I'm using my computer camera right now, but looking like it's having some issues, so I just get a webcam soon. I don't know if it's having issues because I'm running so much on this computer, or if it's just having issues. But we will get that figured out after the stream. Yeah, it's completely out. All right. Yeah, we'll work on that later. Right now we're just watching. I think maybe this one has a good chance of continuing, but with how much green is gone, I think the shorts that did get in up here are not going to be letting up anytime soon. It's got a little bit of a trend line through here. Okay. Alright. So yeah, I'll be getting a webcam in here because I can't deal with freezing camera. I think it's a my driver is broken on it. Glad to meet another Christian. We out here, son. We are out here deep in the game. Hope is not lost. We're out here, man. But just want to be a good example and don't want to end up causing more havoc than already is in the world. But yeah, I'm from Mississippi, down south. People like to call it the Bible Belt, but you know, we do have a lot of churches, you know, but the building isn't the same as your actual relationship with the people and the relationship with God. I'd rather see everybody in the right standing than be letting people run around, you know, running around just mindless, like a lot of places that we see today. Because where I live, you know, violence is at the tip top, you know. So I would like to turn on the news and not see bodies. Not see bodies. Too many people falling. So somebody's got to be an example. Anyway, Led's looking like it's fading down there. You know, I actually forgot my camera wasn't on. I was doing some gestures, but forgot it wasn't on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that webcam up so we can see me. Anyway, Les gave some nice moves today. Mossy was also up, but I don't know what Mossy can do. I think the news on Mossy was a Form SD, which I don't know why that will be going up anymore. So I don't think it will. But nice day. Nice day. Yes, Ed, we are the living building. We are the living building. I think for the most part, people have just not really lost so much purpose in life, but they've lost reverence for things that have significant meaning when it comes to structure. Because, you know, people can get on Instagram, they can get on YouTube, they can have a purpose, they can push towards a goal, but where do your loyalties lie, basically? I was in Hattiesburg, Mississippi a couple weeks ago. Hey, I'm in Raymond, Mississippi, small town of Raymond, Mississippi. Yeah, so yeah, very small town. I mean, you could pass through it very quickly and not even know you passed it, because it's kind of country, so it may just look like a bunch of woods. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, so I think the move is done on leads unless buyers just come back in heavy. But look at the volume versus the volume of earlier. Only 26 million, so not looking too hot. Anyway, I'm gonna let the stream run for about 30 more minutes, and then I'm gonna go and hustle this little loss back. Let's see, what is this? $18 loss. Go make that back. I did lose. I lost yesterday trading a stock. Now, okay, so I broke my rules yesterday, and I came in and I read my rules today of what I'm looking for. So, or what rules that I'm following. So first, I'm only trading stocks that are on my scanner. That's the first rule. Second rule, no trades until the pullback above VWAP. So I want to see a confirmation pullback above VWAP. 3, only trade above the 5-minute 9 EMA. So where is it testing right now? The 5-minute 9 EMA. If it breaks that, no trade. Number 4, if it does not have a catalyst on the day, doesn't matter if it has a catalyst yesterday or whatever, I want to see, I'm going to size down if no catalyst. So today I sized down, and I'm so glad I did, because if I took regular size on this expensive stock, oh, this red day would have been so much more massive, unless I held, which is not the strategy of a scalper. So, but anyway, nice day, nice day. Let's see. Let me go ahead and get my, see, Amazon, where's Amazon? SPY. So the SPY is up today. Usually when the SPY is up, we don't see much action in the penny stocks, because like Tesla, Amazon, all those other ones go up. But I guess that the market doesn't care today, or the penny stocks don't care today. People are like, nothing's happening in Tesla, nothing's happening up there in the larger stocks. So, and this is the kind of move that I got caught in yesterday, but it was earlier, where it just started to fade with me and I just would not sell, and it just hurt me. But today I'm like, look, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the pain, stop the burn. But I think to hold today would have actually worked out, but with no news on the day, I had no confirmation that this would happen, so I was just scalping. Scalping. But yeah, I think it's done for the day. It's the only thing left on the scanner. Nothing else getting as volatile. Nothing has the volume. So, and now it is under the 5-minute 9 EMA, which is at the 23.99. All right, no problem. Talk to you Monday. Thank you for stopping in. All right, so this thing is definitely moving really slow. I don't think since I'm not going to be taking any more trades, I think I'm going to go ahead and close it down today. I just don't see this thing going up. If it does, oh well, but I want to go ahead and get this video out, and I got some other content that I need to work on. So, and I need to get a webcam. That camera went out on me, so I've got some research to do. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down here. Oh boy, Avi popping up there, AUVI. What's the news on this one? Applied UV sign. Ugh. Not like I can trade it anyway. But anyway, those are the two that I'm going to leave off with. So yeah, look at that. I'll be popping up there. Anyway, be careful on that one. It doesn't have any news on today. I don't know the news. Let me see. The news was from the 1st. So applied UV Arrowside judges rooms to protect participants at the 28th Grand International Wine Award. What? Okay, so whatever. Those are the two stocks I'm leaving off with. Don't forget to hit the like button. We'll be back on Monday morning. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.